Hello my friends, John LaRuffa here, coming to you from a hotel room. And why is that? Well, because I have the blessings and good fortune this time of going to Spiel 2019. And so, with that in mind, I'm going to unbox for you this little gem, Masters of Renaissance. So, let's take a look at this guy. Okay, so let us unbox Masters of Renaissance, but before we do that, kind of peer at the cover here, look at the artwork, what you get. So kind of displays the game in play. Lots of different things going on. I saw this out there today. It looked very fun. Can't wait to give it a try. Right now we're just unboxing it for everybody else. So sorry about the fact that I've got to do this with two hands. I only have my camera and that is it. I do not have a stand, so it makes it a little bit more realistic, I suppose. And annoying when I do that. So here we go. Rules are pretty easy in this one, I think. I looked at it when I was on the plane. A lot of good examples. Not very difficult to understand at all. Just a couple of pages there. I skipped one, but you get the idea. So it should be pretty easy to tackle. And the solo mode, I love it. You know me. Okay, and then here we've got it's like a player board here. These are not double-sided. They're single-sided player boards. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3 rules fall, punch board, 4. Okay, so these are the punch tiles right here. They're gonna fall out. I mean, there's not much I'll be able to do about that. Standard thickness, no problems. Double-sided here. Okay, and then this little thingamajig was with some colored marbles. So this has to do with the game. I know that you basically have to be putting these things inside. I believe they go in like this, and you're going to kind of put them in, and the rows that they make and how that works is going to determine what you're going to do, and this is going to fall to one side, and I know there's some interesting mechanics there. So I'm looking forward to giving that a try. That'll be fun. All right, and then from a component standpoint, we've got some little wooden people. These little wooden crosses, those look nice. Some wooden shields, some stone, gold coins, and a pack of cards, which we'll open in a second. And looks like a little place to store some of this. I don't think there's anything under here. Nope. Just wanted to make sure because it looked like there's a little elevation there. So this is a little storage tray for the different components. That'll be handy, like that. And I'm gonna just stop the camera here while I try to open this because it is just too much of a pain in the neck to open these with one hand. All right, give me a second here, folks. All right, and we're back. Card quality is pretty good. Not too flimsy. It's all right. Looks like the finish is kind of that silk finish smoothness and no rigidness on there. Nice artwork, pretty standard as far as what you got, but colorful. And the cards themselves are quite functional. They tell you kind of this turns into that. There's some points. Just what you kind of expect from this game. So pretty good there. No complaints at all. As we get deeper into this, go from some of these probably like production-like cards to some of your leader cards. Gives you different things, I'm guessing. Okay, but overall pretty good. Good components. I think this is going to be good. These marbles are nice. They are not super heavy, but they are marbles, so they'll roll just fine in this little thing. Player boards are good quality, good thickness. And overall, this should be a nice, fun game to play. So, John LaRuffa from another Unbiased unboxing, and I hope everyone has a great one.